Should I really stop scrolling before bed? I mean, how bad can it be if watching social media posts and random news feels like the perfect way to unwind? If you're like me, you might unlock your phone over 100 times a day, and nearly half of US internet users say they feel addicted. So, before deciding to break this habit, let's dive into why a nightly digital detox could be worth it. Today, we'll explore 12 surprising benefits, from boosting focus and reducing stress to strengthening relationships. Stick around for practical tips to start your own digital detox tonight. Number 1. Improved sleep quality. Using screens before bed can significantly disrupt sleep. Blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers suppresses melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Studies show that limiting screen time exposure before bed helps you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and achieve deeper, more restorative sleep. Number 2. Reduced stress and anxiety. Notification, emails, and the need to stay connected can create an overload of information that heightens stress. Constantly processing information can be mentally draining. Taking a digital break, especially at night, lets your brain rest, leading to reduced stress and anxiety. Interestingly, some studies suggest that while taking a full social media break may not be for everyone, limiting screen time helps many people feel more relaxed and focused. Number 3. Better physical health. Excessive screen time is linked to issues like eye strain, headaches, neck and back pain, and poor posture. Spending long periods on screens also promotes a sedentary lifestyle, raising the risk of obesity, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. Reducing nighttime screen time gives your body a break and encourages more physical activity, supporting overall health. Number 4. Improved relationships. Putting down your devices allows for quality time with loved ones, fostering deeper connections. Even the presence of a phone during conversations can reduce feelings of closeness and trust. Disconnecting encourages active listening and empathy, improving relationship quality and reducing misunderstandings. Number 5. Boosting self-esteem. Social media can often spark feelings of comparison as we view carefully curated images and stories from others. This phenomenon, known as the social comparison theory, suggests that comparing ourselves to others can lower self-esteem. Taking breaks from social media helps you stay grounded and maintain a healthy self-image, free from constant comparison. Number 6. Overcoming fear of missing out. FOMO, or the anxiety that others are having rewarding experiences without you, is heightened by social media. Seeing others enjoying activities can lead to feelings of inadequacy and anxiety. By limiting screen time, you focus more on your own life and enjoy real-life connections, breaking the FOMO cycle and reducing its impact on your mental well-being. Number 7. Restoring work-life balance. When work follows you home via emails and notifications, it can blur the line between work and personal time. Setting boundaries by disconnecting at night is essential for maintaining work-life balance, preventing burnout, and reducing stress. Evaluate if your job truly requires round-the-clock availability and consider communicating boundaries with coworkers and supervisors. Number 8. Enhancing focus and improving productivity. Digital devices often disrupt focus with constant notifications. This divided attention, known as continuous partial attention, limits productivity and reduces mental clarity. Studies indicate that frequent multitaskers tend to perform worse in memory and focus tasks. By reducing digital distractions, you can boost focus and productivity, achieving more in less time. Number 9. Improving decision-making skills. Digital information overload can make it challenging to make clear decisions. Social media algorithms can create echo chambers that reinforce our biases, while constant alerts reduce focus and promote impulsive choices. By stepping away from digital distractions, you allow yourself time to think critically and make better decisions without outside influence or pressure. Number 10. Improving memory. Over-reliance on digital devices can impair memory, often referred to as digital dementia. Studies show that frequent use of search engines, calendar apps, and GPS can weaken independent memory function. Taking digital breaks helps your brain work harder to remember and recall information, enhancing overall memory retention. Number 11. Increased creativity. Continuous digital stimulation limits the mind's freedom to wander, a crucial component for creativity. Taking breaks from screens encourages boredom, which is linked to creativity and problem solving. Psychologist Dr. Sandy Mann emphasizes that stepping away from screens allows ideas to flourish. A digital detox gives you space for creative thinking, helping you generate new ideas and solutions. Number 12. Enhancing mindfulness. Constant connection to digital devices can make it challenging to stay present. Research shows that simply having a smartphone nearby reduces attention and mindfulness. Mindfulness has been shown to improve immune function, sleep quality, creativity, and reduce anxiety. Reducing screen time boosts self-awareness and helps manage device use, allowing you to be more present in daily life. Bonus: more free time. Limiting screen time can help you reclaim hours for meaningful activities. A 2023 survey found that U.S. adults spend an average of over 8 hours daily on digital devices, including time spent procrastinating. Taking a break from screens frees up time for engaging activities, creating more balanced and fulfilling life. Now that we've covered the benefits of a nightly digital detox, let's look at simple strategies to help you start your own. Step 1. Set a digital curfew. Establish a time each night to stop using devices, ideally 1 hour before bed. Use this time for your wind-down routine like reading or light stretching. Step 2. Use Do Not Disturb mode. Activate Do Not Disturb mode to silence notifications during your evening routine and throughout the night. Step 3. Replace screen time with relaxing activities. Swap out screen time with relaxing activities such as journaling, reading, or practicing meditation. Replacing digital habits with fulfilling alternatives makes the transition easier and more enjoyable. Step 4. Establish a bedtime routine. Create a relaxing, screen-free bedtime routine. Follow activities like a warm bath, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music. Consistency with this routine reinforces the habit of winding down. Step 5. Create a device-free zone. Designate your bedroom or another area of your home as a device-free zone. Keeping devices out of these areas can help create a more restful environment. Step 6. Charge devices outside the bedroom. Charge electronic devices in another room to avoid temptation before bed. A separate charging station, like in the living room or kitchen, reduces the urge to check your phone overnight. By making intentional choices around digital devices usage, you can reclaim your time, reduce stress, and reconnect with what truly matters for a healthier, more fulfilling life. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a healthier, more balanced life. How will you start your digital detox? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.